Storing the collapsible wagon. First, secure the handle by pushing it back into the bracket. Next, you squeeze 2 taps at the base and push the handle down. Next, you remove the base and fold it back up. Set that aside. Next, you will pull the strap in the middle to collapse the wagon. You bring it up nice and tight. Next, you take the Velcro belt and go around the wagon and secure it to itself. Nice and tight. Very good. Next, you put the cover on top. Next, you secure the Velcro at the base by going through the clip. And secure the one on the other side as well. Okay. Next, we zip down. And lastly, we put the folded base into the side pocket.